Hi, this is Asin. You are now watching Asin SL TV. Today, I would like to share how to create conditional sum product in Excel. Consider to obtain the cumulative grade point average, which is a CGPA. We know that CGPA is calculated by using a weighted average method, which is the total of the grade point times the corresponding credit hour divided by the cumulative credit hours. We know that this can be done by using the sum product function. We can first choose the array, take the credit hours as the first array, starting from the first cell of the data set until the last cell. We put comma and select the second array, which is a grade point, also from the first cell until the last cell. And this should be divided by the total credit hours. Press enter and we should realize that we obtain a wrong value. This is because when we scroll up, we should realize that there are the grade point averages for each semester as well as the cumulative credit hours. And this is why we obtain a wrong value. To overcome this issue, we just have to add another array. I'm going to consider the column F. Also, take from the first row of the data until the last row. Exclude the header. What we have to do here is refer to the credit hours. If the adjacent cell of this credit hour is empty, which means that this is the credit hour that we are looking for. However, if the adjacent cell of this credit hour is not empty, but we have cumulative credit hours, which means that this value we should exclude. I'm going to apply the logical operation here. So we are going to set is equal to empty. If this is empty, which means that we will return Boolean response, which is true. True has no value. We are not able to perform calculation. So I'm going to add bracket for this case and we times 1. So which means that when the Boolean response return true and times 1, we should have a value of 1. And 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So which means that we are able to have this value. On the other hand, if we have verse next to this credit hour, this logical operation should return Boolean answer of false. False times 1, we should obtain 0, which means that 0 times anything we get 0. And this value will be definitely excluded. So let's press enter and we should now obtain the correct cumulative grade point average. We can also check whether this is correct. So what we have to do here is to set logical operation. If this is empty equal to empty, then we should have true. So what we have to do next is to bracket. So we add bracket and we times 1. So this will change to 1 and we move the cursor to the right corner, double click. And we should have 0 for those that accumulated, as we can see here. So next, we can take the credit hour times the grade point times the Boolean response, double click, and we should obtain the total average. So what we have to do here is to take the sum of this total and we take over to the total credit hours, which is 86. Press enter and we should obtain exactly the same value as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.